Hi, this is Doug English with Act Advisors with your June 2025 update. Boy, they used to say, sell in May and go away. But I bet you're glad you did not sell in May. You stayed through the month of May, and the markets went up for everybody in the stock side of the house, only down a little bit in the bonds. And overall, it was a very nice month for all of our clients. So we saw the bond market decrease about 72 basis points for the month. A lot of variation going on in the bond market, some concerns about what's going to happen with interest rates. We'll talk about that at the mid-year outlook. Then in the stocks, generally positive returns across to all of the sizes of different stock investing, with the Dow Jones returning about 4% for the month, the S&P about 6%. And so there's a lot of variance in our accounts this month, with our most conservative accounts making about 2% for the month, the most aggressive accounts making about 6% for the month, and it scales down as you would imagine between the two. So overall, another good May, just like last year. Now, June does not have a very good history for stock market returns. It tends to be about flat. So we'll see what happens as the month develops. Now, in the stock and bond rotations that exist in your IRA accounts and some of your non-IRA accounts, there is no change for the bond rotation going into the month of June. And for the stock rotation, we took the bill position and moved back into the technology stocks that have been doing very nicely. So the momentum is in technology, and that's where your stock rotation position is now being held. We will be having the mid-year outlook coming up in July, so hopefully you've seen the invitation on that. Join us if you can online, and we will give you an update on all the research we get from our partners, what we expect for the second half of the year. Thank you so much for your business.